Hello everyone. In this short video, we'll discuss what is the D&B Hoover database. The D&B Hoover database is a business tool that provides detailed company profiles, industrial report, and contact information. It helps businesses find new customer, research competitors, and make better decisions by offering access to a large database of financial data and insights. It is mainly used for sales, marketing, and business development. And here are of the some key features. First, extensive company profiles. Second, advanced search and filtering option. Third, real-time data updates. Fourth, decision maker contacts. Fifth, industrial insights and competitive analysis. Sixth, sales acceleration tool. Seventh, connectivity options. Eight, data visualization tool, and many more. To learn more about this, please visit our blog post. You will find the link in the description box. Thank you.